Hey, it's Adam from My Financial Journey. Let's talk about some big news for XRP. XRP's on fire. Franklin Templeton just filed for an ETF on March 11th. What does this mean for XRP's year-end price? Tune in and let's break it down. Trust me, you do not want to miss this one. Before I jump in, please hit subscribe on my YouTube channel. Getting 1,000 subscribers is part of my financial journey. It would really help me grow. Thank you. XRP's price is pretty much following the market, but it's recovering the strongest, and is already back to the $2.30 mark. The big news this week is Franklin's $1.5 trillion muscle joining Bitwise, Grayscale, and 14 more filing ETFs, making the total now 17. X says approval odds are 76%. Ripple's SEC case? Could possibly wrap by April, clear skies for a breakout. But when all 17 are approved, what does this mean for the price of XRP? Let's look at the projected inflow first. It would mean an inflow of around $5-10 billion within 6-12 months. This is a conservative amount, it could well be more. The big question is, what would this inflow do to the price? If we add the multiplier to the equation, which XRP seems to have, then this inflow would push the market cap to a region between 1.2 and 2.3 trillion. This would put the price of XRP between $21 and $41. This is conservative, and only based on the market cap that the known 17 ETFs being announced would push it to. Now, let's add BlackRock to the equation, and see what this does to the price of XRP. If a BlackRock ETF gets announced and approved, this would add a further $5 billion of inflow to the equation, meaning the market cap would rise a further $1.1 trillion. This would put the price of XRP around the $60 range. When you think about how many more ETFs will be announced, global adoptions, growing demand and real utility usage, it's easy to now imagine the price of XRP being $100 to $500 and beyond in the near future. In my own portfolio and part of my own journey to financial freedom, I currently hold 2,000 XRP. If this $100 to $500 prediction happens, my net worth would be in the region of 200,000 and 1 million plus. What do you think about the future of XRP? Can it hit these numbers? Will BlackRock and more get involved? Let me know in the comments. This is my financial journey, real wealth, real moves, real story. Hit subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Thanks again for watching.